This is not how my hair is supposed to look like. It's in a bun, guys. Let me just ruffle it for you guys to see. The shrinkage is real. So I just washed my hair and I need to lock the moisture in before all the moisture is evaporated. This is how I'm going to lock moisture in my hair. So I've got heat protectant. I'm not using it in the purpose of protecting my hair from heat. This heat protectant has argan oil and it's very water based. I'm gonna divide my hair in parts, spray it down first, lock it in with my moisturizer treatment conditioner, and then use this castor oil on my ends. I'm using this method called the lock method. Essentially you use water, conditioner, moisturizer and oil. It helps lock in moisture. I'm done moisturizing the ends of my hair. Now I'm going to use the conditioning cream. I'm just going to put a little bit in my hair. Now I'm just gonna undo the twists, comb it all out and get ready, both physically and mentally. Massages are so good to stimulate growth. So I'm just gonna massage the oils in, undo the twists, brush my hair all out. Feels so good. I'm gonna do the other side. I've been trying to part the hair and it's so hard. Once you get past the first few braids, it gets easier along the way. So I need to start so that I'm not wasting time. I love doing my hair, but what I don't love is parting. It's such a mental, it's such a mental challenge. You just
do it again, and every time you do it again, the part just looks different. It just goes in a different direction you want it to go, and then when you do it again, it goes into a different direction. And now it sounds like I'm crashing out.
Currently it's 4:30. No, 3:30. And I started parting at 3 o'clock. So it took me 30 minutes to part the middle and the first braid. Oh my goodness. Guys, the weather in the UK is so awful. This morning it was so sunny and now it's raining. Okay, that's one braid done. But I need to move on now. I need to lock in so that I can get the braid done before 4:30. Okay guys, so quick update. In the span of 15 minutes, I did 4 braids and it's not raining anymore. It's giving pathetic fallacy. I'm joking. Alright, check the back, check the back. Does the back look good? Or is my hair too black you can't even see it? Possibly both. Is it good? Is it good? My hands are so oily. Okay, so this is the last braid for this side. I still have half of my hair to do. But guys, let me know. Is it going well? Is it looking good? I don't know anymore, but the front is eating. Let's just forget about the back. Oh my gosh. This side is looking beautiful. Oh, this twist is a bit tight. Oh my gosh, the difference in the twist is crazy. Look at that. Oh my gosh. No way. Okay, I'm gonna forget about this side now. Moving on to this side. It would be easier if I stretch my hair with heat, but I chose today not to. And also I wanted to minimize as much breakage as I can. By not putting heat on my hair, it helps me to minimize that even more.
Doesn't kill you, makes you stronger. Stand a little taller.
We are almost done. I know I haven't done a good job of videoing it. It's so hard videoing and doing the hair at the same time. honestly. So I'm just gonna video this braid. If you guys can give me tips on how to stretch hair without the use of heat, I would really love that. That's why it's always great to do hair by yourself, because not only is it a good skill, but just the feeling you get of doing your hair and finishing it by yourself is just rewarding. I sound tired, I am tired, but I won't stop until I see my hair in braids. The last braid, yes, yes. I'm so ready to leave. And it's protected, it's in a style, and even though the back is not serving, the front is. It's 8, period. I'm so tired. It's actually not bad. It's done. It's done. I am done, guys. And I think it's pretty good actually. I did a great job. The front 8. I had confirmation from my mom and she said the back is okay, so I'm going to stick with that. I'm giving the braids a decent 7 out of 10 because I know I could do better. With practice, I can do a whole lot better, but for today, I think I did a pretty good job. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm exhausted. I really want to read, so I'm going to read and enjoy the braids that I've made. Enjoy the work of art that I've yielded. Thank you guys for watching and stay blessed.